As the legislative session wraps up, Colorado property owners are staring down a massive increase of their property taxes.
Lawmakers tell us they expect the governor's office to come out with a bill to ease that burden. But details on that bill are slim, and it's unclear what it would do exactly. Denver 7's Colette Bordelon looks into what the last-minute action could be and how it would help Colorado homeowners.
This is too much too quickly, right?
When it comes to Colorado's housing market, what feels so sudden
We knew that this was coming.
has actually been building for years.
The reason homeowners have never experienced this before is because up until 2020, we had the Gallagher Amendment.
Scott Wasserman, the president of the Bell Policy Center and a government lobbyist, says when Colorado voters repealed the Gallagher Amendment 3 years ago, it allowed for residential property taxes to increase when home values go up. Those are reevaluated every 2 years, and recently, county assessors announced historic and unprecedented jumps. That announcement from 9 different county assessors basically says that for the Denver metro area, residential property values went up by between either 35% or 45%, and those are some huge increases.
The challenge, however, is that May 22 snapshot is the most awkward family photo you can imagine, right? That is the peak of the market after the pandemic. Lots of people moved down to Colorado, and that's the value we're seeing.
The governor's office is coming out with a bill. We just don't know what it is yet.
When we spoke with State Representative Lisa Frizzell after the announcement, she and other lawmakers told us they have to do something to ease the property tax burden. Ratcheting down the assessment rate, if lawmakers chose to do that, is it just a Band-Aid?
I think that what the legislature's got to do is do something temporary, something that's effective, and it's got to be something that's targeted and backfilled with enough revenue to make sure that our local communities have the money that they need.
And it also has to be something that honestly both sides can come together on fairly quickly.
Yeah, I mean, look, the legislature can't leave the gold dome until this gets solved. The key is doing it right, so the last thing we want them doing is rushing.
But as we head into the last full week of the legislature, time is running out. Colette Bordelon, Denver 7.
Colette, thank you so much. Tonight, we're digging even deeper. We asked an expert how to appeal an assessment you don't agree with. For starters, be sure to review your statement, then make sure all the information is accurate, like the number of bathrooms and square footage. Next, check for issues the assessor may not realize, like a basement that wasn't finished. Finally, show the assessor different home sale comparisons, which have to be before June 30th, 2022. If you decide to appeal, the deadline is June 8th. You can learn more on your county assessor's website.